Looking to bring your community together? Whether it's meetups, webinars, or conferences, Jambo's Events module makes organizing events easier than ever. Let's create your event. Start by adding basic details. Enter the event name, description, and relevant tags. Choose whether your event is in-person, virtual, or yet to be announced. Pick a date and time that works best for your community. Organizer details are auto-filled, but you can add more if needed. Want to track attendance? Enable this option to mark attendees as present. Save your event now or continue to add a detailed schedule. Add a schedule with speakers and session time slots. Tabs will be auto-created by day. Want to sell tickets? Let's configure your ticketing options. Set the total number of tickets and how many each user can purchase. Allow guests to join for free if needed. If tickets are paid, configure your payment settings right here. Create different ticket prices for members. And if required, for non-members. Decide when ticket sales begin and end. Your tickets are set. Now, preview or publish your event. Your event is now live. It will appear in your community dashboard and group feeds and on your landing page if published. Use the external share option to share the event outside Jambo. You can still edit, pin, or hide the event anytime. And that's it. See you in the next tutorial.